Okay, home from work, settled in. I've got about an hour before I have a meeting. So, gonna be another progress, not perfection. Gonna get a few things done. Think I might sneak out, try and get a little bit of yard work done. Can't get too sweaty because I got the meeting. And we'll just see what we can get done. Maybe I'll show you a few things along the way. But first, it's Wednesday, garbage day. I was really hoping earlier in the fall that I'd get to splitting some of these hostas up, but again, it didn't happen this year. So maybe in the spring I can go through and do it. Next year wouldn't be quite as pretty for them, but I would at least get it done. So we'll see what March and April look like. Okay, that's actually probably going to do it for real live work for today. I got to get to that meeting. So at least I got something done. It's, it's so easy just to come home from work, plop down on the couch, and take a little nap and tell myself it's for my best interest. But the to-do lists just keep on going on and on. And if I don't get a little bit done every day, it'll never get done. And there's a lot of work to do on an old house. Constantly. The carriage house here. Here's a project. It's coming up soon. These doors have kind of fallen apart. We're gonna need pretty much just to rebuild them. The hardware that I have for it's rusted through on the hinges, and there's still some lumber on there that I can salvage, but we'll see. I'll have to get that done sometime, hopefully before winter. And actually the entire carriage house here, you can see, needs new siding, new paint, soffit, needs, well, let me go through kind of what I plan with this. One of two things is going to happen. We judge the cost and figure out it's way too expensive, and we tear down the 115-year-old structure, which would be a shame, but with that, I would save the foundation, expand that out, another probably 16 feet, thereabouts, right about to here, and add more foundation, have a legitimate 3-car garage. I would have 1 stall for storage, 2 stalls for a shop, and yeah, I could do that up pretty darn nice. I have really wanted a separate shop where I could keep tools out, not have to worry about putting things away. Current structure, it needs new windows, new siding, new roof, new everything, and it'd be quite a bit of work, quite a bit of expense, and it's 18 by 22-ish, so there's definitely more area we could have out here. So we'll see, but for right now, I think I just need to lock up and get ready for that meeting. Yeah, there's also a lot of junk in here that needs to get cleaned out. We have bicycles, we have tractor parts, we have wood, lots of wood. All this is old siding off the house. It's 120-year-old, it's just cedar, but you know, that's nice wood. And the back of my head, I'm making steam bent snare drum shells out of it. And we have patio furniture. We've got a couple of lawn tractors that need to be taken to the dump. And yeah, just all kinds of stuff. So lots of project videos ahead. I'm sorry this one's going to be a little bit on the lacking side, but I'll get through that meeting. I'll get this edited up. Maybe I can throw in something after dinner too. And again, appreciate you watching. I'm trying to keep up the daily vlogs, trying to go 4 a week, and we'll see how that goes. I'm kind of looking forward to winter coming, so I've got less to do outside, and the inside ones I can plan the projects a little bit better. But again, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.